In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send a PayPal invoice link. PayPal invoices are a convenient way to request payment from your customers, and sending a link makes it even easier for them to pay, without any complicated processes. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to go to your PayPal account. So open your web browser and navigate to the PayPal website. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your account summary page. This is the central hub where you can see your recent activity, balances, and other account details. From here, look for the invoicing feature. You should be able to find an option labeled Create an Invoice. Clicking on this will take you to the invoice creation page. This is where you have the opportunity to fill out all the necessary details for your transaction. Now, the first component you need to address on this page is the customer information. PayPal allows you to input the recipient's email address or phone number. Make sure this information is correct, as this is where the invoice will be sent. You can also add any additional details about your customer if necessary, which can be helpful for record keeping. Next, you'll need to provide information about the items or services you're invoicing for. There's a section specifically for items where you can list each product or service individually. Be as detailed as possible here. Include descriptions, quantities, and unit prices. This clarity helps your customer understand exactly what they are being charged for. Following that, there's a section for notes and attachments. This is especially useful if there are any special messages or files you need to include with your invoice. For example, you might want to attach terms of service or a personalized thank you note. It's a great way to maintain a professional relationship and communicate effectively. After adding the notes, you'll see a section for calculating the subtotal. The subtotal automatically updates based on the items and their quantities that you've entered. Always double check this calculation to ensure accuracy before proceeding. Now, with all the details filled in, it's time to share your invoice. You'll notice a send button, but instead of clicking it directly, look for a small arrow next to it that opens a drop-down menu. Select Share Link to Invoice from this menu. This will generate a shareable link. Finally, once the link is created, a window will pop up with an option to copy link. Clicking this will copy the invoice link to your clipboard, which you can then paste into an email, message, or any platform where you're communicating with your customer. And there you have it. Sending an invoice via PayPal couldn't be simpler. This method enables your customers to access and pay the invoice quickly and effortlessly. So start using these steps today to streamline your payment process. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to subscribe for more how-tos and tips.